Hi, today we're going to be looking at how to use ChatGPT with this Canvas feature to create a website for ourselves. So here I've got a prompt. I want to create a website in HTML promoting Traeger smokers. My name is Fred Fredericks and my company name is Smokin' Good Times. I need a homepage, about page, contact us, and types of smokers. So let's see what it comes up with. Now, I'm not a HTML professional, so I run all this through testing using Notepad, saving the file as .html, and then you can open it up as a web page. So you just go here, copy, slide this over, paste it into Notepad. It'll paste out the HTML, file, save, open. So here it has definitely created a page, contact us. So we don't have any headers, so we will work on that. But this is just a brief overview, types of Traeger smokers. So that's not bad for its first run through. So let's see if we can actually add an image into this. So to get an image, you need to go to a website that you're drawing the image from, right click on the image, copy image address. And then we'll go back in here and put in the URL for Traeger is traeger.com, and here is an image URL. Can you please link both of these on the landing page? Make sure to center the image on the page. So what it's going to do is actually go through here, editing, and it'll edit this content as it goes. So rather than rewriting everything constantly and having one gigantic screen of changes, you just keep working in this screen, and you can see here it goes through and it's making the edits as needed. Once it's done editing, it'll let us know, okay, so we copy that again, back into our notepad, delete all that, save, reopen that. So we now do have the image, but it's massive. So let's see if we can you please make that image 50% smaller and add a buy now button linking to let's see if this works. So hopefully now we've got a buy now button linking out to that URL. I mean, obviously this is just the very first steps you would go when creating a website. Eventually, you'd put it into your WordPress, create the headers and things properly, but this will give you a pretty good, quick, easy way to at least get something happening. So it's made the changes, copy, paste, save, open. That looks much better. Buy now, is it actually linked out? Perfect. So that worked. Image is still too big, but we can obviously play around with that as we need to. Now, let's add some color to make the page look more inviting. Also, there are no header menus for the pages. Home, contact us, about us, and types of smokers. So let's see what this does. Again, this is just a quick example of using ChatGPT with Canvas, showing you how fantastic this update is. I'm absolutely loving just playing around with the canvas, working through things. It is an absolute game changer. So let's just see once it makes these final edits, which is taking some time. Where were we up to down? Oh, all done. Beautiful. Copy that. Let's go for one more try. File, save. Wow, how much better does this look? Why choose Traeger smokers? Discover the flavors about smoking good times. Now obviously you'd get rid of all of this. You would also add some more, details about the particular smoker or whatever product you are trying to feature. But you could just use this as well as just a straight up landing page, remove all the other content, have your link here, tell chat to purely use it as a landing page for your website. You can copy that in, create a page for it, and away you go, you've got a landing page. Anyway, that was just a quick guide showing you what this new Canvas feature can do. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, like and subscribe, and we'll have plenty of more videos coming featuring this new feature. Thank you.